Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I have another process video for you guys. This is a 9x12 page from my 2018 album. So yeah, let's get into it. For this page, it's the first page of like my little series from our honeymoon. Not really a series, just like a chunk of my album that's kind of just devoted to the honeymoon because I just took a lot of pictures. So this is us traveling. I'm just going through all my cards. I really wanted to use that top middle card. It's like a hand-drawn suitcase. It's from Studio Calico. I've been hoarding it for a while because I just thought it was so cute, and I thought this would be a good time to use it. I like that it has some neutrals going on, like the browns, and it's like an off-white kind of background. But then I'm going to draw some color from the stickers that are on the luggage, so some aquas and some pinks, and of course the black as well. So I'm just going through and picking my cards. I recently reorganized all of my journaling cards to be sorted out by color, which makes things a lot easier actually. When like you have a spread and you know you want to go for a certain color scheme or whatever. So it's a lot easier for me to find cards this way. The only thing that sucks is I forget that I can check the other sides of these cards for the like the second pattern or whatever. So yeah. So now I've been using a lot of like 6x6 papers for my pattern papers instead of my journaling cards. So this is from, I actually don't know where that's from because I went through a phase where I just took apart all of my 6x6 paper pads and sorted them loosely. So I think I labeled some of them with the manufacturers on the back. If I had to guess, I would guess it's like crepe paper or something, I don't know. Anyway, so I really loved this polka dot black and white card because it looks kind of hand-drawn, and I wanted to kind of just keep with that hand-drawn style from the luggage. So I cut that one down, I threw that there. I like that wood card because it kind of brings in the wood from the restaurant in that bottom right-hand card, which I feel like I do a lot. I like to use wood grain cards to kind of tie in the pictures, which I really like, so that's okay. And then I took out that stripe card because I thought it didn't really work well, and settled on this grid card, which looking at it now, I'm still unsure if I like it, but it works. The lines for the grid were like a kind of greenish aqua, which I thought kind of brought down the aqua from the sticker on the luggage. So I'm just trying to bring the colors together a little bit better. Again, trying to bring more of the color into the page from the luggage. I found this blue label, which I thought would be fine. Right now, I'm actually going through my email, trying to figure out what airport we flew from. You know, just trying to get those details. And this is from like 3 years ago, so I had to do some digging. But eventually, I figured it out. And now I'm going in with these alphabet stickers from Studio Calico, which whenever I use them, I always mention that I hoard them because I love them so much. And I'm pretty sure these are from like 4 or 5 years ago. And I have those 2 sheets left. I think I might have more somewhere. I don't know. Because I bought extra ones when they were having like a last call sale or something. So I love them. Again, it kind of ties in the whole hand-drawn style from the luggage card. And now I'm just rummaging through some wood veneer. Clearly didn't find what I needed. I'm trying to figure out what I was looking for. Oh, so what I'm looking for is some kind of arrow or something to put on that airport card. So like from which airport to which airport we're going to. This is the bin where I keep all of my new stuff for the month. And I got these Heidi Swap stickers from Paper Issues a few weeks ago, and I love them. I'm obsessed. Just has like really cool vacation-y vibes, and the colors are really just like totally up my alley right now. So I've been like dabbling with these stickers for the past few pages I've made. So I think I end up looking for some kind of arrow here. I don't think I got it from this set, which is also a really cute set, by the way. I think, yeah, so I get these. It's hard to remember what I did, even though I just did this like an hour ago, but whatever. So I settled on that pink arrow. Is that an arrow? Like a chevron, a pink chevron, which is doubling as an arrow, so whatever. Just to bring in the pink from the luggage stickers as well. And then I'm just gonna finish off that card with the Cancun airport. And then I actually realized I love these labels. I think they're from Kelly Perky, but they never fit on the 3x4 card, so I'm always cutting them off at the end, which is fine. But then I realized I like the other way better, so I'm very carefully trying to peel off these stickers, which it didn't end up perfect, but that's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do. So next I'm trying to figure out what to do with that grid card. Again, going back in with these Heidi Swap stickers because they're so cute. And then finally going back to those wood veneer. I have these speech bubbles from Studio Calico from like 7-8 years ago, which again, I have so much stuff that I hoard, but it doesn't feel like a lot, but whatever. So these are from a while back. I think I got them at Marshall's or something. And I'm going to throw that hand-drawn camera on there because I think it's really cute. I love putting stuff on wood veneer, especially those speech bubbles, because I feel like it gives the page so much more texture because you're using the wood, and then you just kind of have different layers, and I just thought it looked cool. I like to stamp on wood veneer as well. But I'm going to just adhere this using some liquid glue. Realize I should have just used regular adhesive because I'm so impatient, and I kept trying to wait for it to dry toward the end of this page. I'm just like, please dry. I just want to put you back in the pocket. Anyway, so I'm just going to throw that on there. I thought about putting it more centered, like vertically centered, if that makes sense. But by the time I put it on the card, it was too late. So it's okay. It's fine. Still cute. Still like it. All right, so next up, I'm gonna be working on a date stamp, I think, yes. So, you know me, I love a good date stamp. I actually had to search for a new date stamp because the ones I was using, they ran out of the years that I needed. I guess I've had them for so long, but they don't go past 2017 or 2019 or something. So I had to go digging, and thankfully I had something. But yeah, so I'm trying all these Kelly Perky inks. Accidentally stained it because I realized there was still black ink from the last time I used it. So that wasn't fun. But that pink was a little too orangey for me. I think this one was also too orangey for me for what I wanted. So I'm just going to keep testing inks until I find one that I like. I think I finally settle on this really nice aqua color. Again, just bringing the colors throughout the page. As you can see, none of the cards are really colorful. They're all pretty neutral. So my way to bring more color to the page is with the stamped inks, labels, just little embellishments just to bring that color in there. And I think that's pretty much all I do for that date card. I think I might staple it a little bit later, but yeah, just wanted to keep it really simple and clean. And so I'm just looking for some finishing touches. I'm pretty happy with how this page looks so far, but I'm just looking for some chipboard, anything, again, to bring more color, add some texture, add some layers, just, just little things. And I'm getting really close to finishing this page. Usually my last stop in my stash is that little container of enamel dots and enamel hearts, just because they're the best way to add just a little bit of color to your page. I just threw a pink heart on there because I had so much empty space on that picture of the resort we were staying at. I just thought it was cute. And then I'm just trying to see if there's anything else that pops out at me. You never know. And I actually didn't mean to have that heart on that page, but it fell off, I guess, the sheet that I was getting the hearts from and stuck to my hand. And by the time I found it, I had already put away the sheet of hearts and I was too lazy to open it and put it back. So there's just going to be 2 hearts there, which I think is cute. And now I'm just going to finish off the page with a little bit of washi just to bring that pink down to the bottom of the page as well. And I think that's pretty much it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I showed you guys in this video. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to me on here if you haven't already. And thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.